Hi, I'm Brian Burke, Woody's gardening and DIY expert. We expect a lot of our lawns. It's only natural that they're going to pick up a bit of damage from time to time, but fear not, the repair steps are very straightforward. Here's what you're going to need. Lawns develop bare patches for various reasons. Repairing them as soon as you can is always a good idea to prevent weed seed from germinating. Erecting some form of protection may also be a good idea if there are pets or children in the house. Job done.